Hey girl, it's me. I just wanted to shoot this video over to you so we could talk about some of the things that I do with websites. The first thing we're going to talk about is your top competitor, and that's going to be Moonshine Cleaners. You can tell they have a professionally built website. They have a very nice sitemap, which Google likes. Google likes for built to have multiple ways to reach the different pages on your website. Here's another place that you can go to if you're on their website to be able to go to different pages that they have. I also think they have a blog too, which is going to help them. So the next thing we're going to look at is content. Content is king in Google's eyes. That's why Wikipedia is generally going to be one of the first things you find, because they have lots and lots of backlinks we're going to talk about, and they also have some of the most content that you can find on the web. So this website actually has only 481 words of content, but the second person on Google has 900 and some words of content. So I'd recommend we have at least 1,000 words of content to beat them. The more the merrier. If you wanted to be able to do a little bit more than 1,000, I would actually recommend that. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is going to be Ahrefs, and on Ahrefs I find out a lot of different information about websites. It's pretty costly, but it's worth it. So the first thing we're looking at is their UR, and that's their homepage, and then we have their DR, and that's their trust with Google overall. And as you can see, they have almost no trust with Google. So that would be really easy to beat. Now, the next thing that we're going to look at is going to be backlinks. Oh, actually, we're going to look at keywords, because keywords are super important. So in that content, we will want to have things like cabin cleaning Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, cabin cleaning Sevierville, also cabin cleaning Gatlinburg. Those seem to be some of the best ones that I've seen. Right now, they're ranked in #1 for it. They're not getting a whole lot of traffic for it, but I think that they're also not doing a whole lot of keywords either. So I think if we had the top results for that you'd be getting quite a bit of traffic for it. The last thing that we're going to look at is going to be the backlinks. And this also goes in with citations. And all a citation is where your name, address, and phone number are listed all over the web. The more citations you have, the more trust you have with Google. And also, not all citations and backlinks are created equal. The reason they don't have a lot of trust with Google is because almost all of their backlinks are no-follow links, which means that the places that they have their name, address, and phone number, they're not getting the power from those sites transferred over to their website. So we had a few good backlinks. I think it's going to beat theirs hands down. All right, so we talked about content, keywords, and backlinks. Those are part of what I do. I can make you a website that is pretty, but it may not be found on Google unless we do the search engine optimization with it. So I really want to talk to you soon and find out where you want to go with your business and see what the fastest way is that we can get you to your goals. All right, girl, I love you, and I'll talk to you soon.